In mid-October, I jumped in the car and drove to Skye. There was something calling me there, and I'm really glad I listened. So in this video, I'll share some of the beauty I found on Skye. I slept in my car and it was frosty. When I woke up at 5 a.m., I could see my breath. So I decided to start up the car and warm up a bit and drive up the coast to Portree to watch the sunrise. Around 7 a.m., the light was really starting to kick off. So I headed back to Sligachan and I got ready for some more photography, as well as a bit of exploring and painting by the waterfalls. So we're on the trail to the waterfalls. There are many, many to choose from. So I'm just gonna go pick a spot. And luckily, it's a beautiful morning. Oh my god, I'm so annoyed. I forgot my batteries for this camera in the car. So I'm rushing back because the light's amazing. Fresh batteries. Okay, let's do this. Cheers. Whenever I do little scouting trips like this, I take lots of notes in my sketchbook. I take lots of photos and videos that I can use back in the studio, but mostly I just want to fill my senses with the amazing colors and textures and sounds. And so I decided to change things up a bit and head south to a place called Dunscaith Castle Ruins. And by the time I got there, the weather had changed quite drastically. There were strong, icy winds blowing in from over the water, and there was no sign or indication that there would be a pretty sunset. So I decided to spend an hour here sketching, just taking it in for as long as I could stand it, because I wasn't really prepared for winter temperatures yet. And I'm not gonna lie, the road to get here is a very nauseating single track road, which kind of got me flustered. So sitting up on these cliffs and sketching was a way for me to sort of calm myself down before the long drive home. So I've only been here once before, and it was also an overcast day, but who knows, maybe the sun will come back out. But I'm gonna go sketch and just still my mind. So that's where I'm going. That's Dunscaith Castle Ruins. Oh my god, it was so cold up there. It was like negative something. But yeah, headed back to the car. Whoa, I almost fell over. Where am I? Oh, this way. As soon as possible, getting coffee. Oh god, it's so boggy right here. Yeah, so I am utterly exhausted. So I need lots of caffeine for the 5.5 or something hour drive home. I hope you guys are enjoying this or have enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like, a thumbs up, and If you want to see more in the future, make sure you subscribe. I'm lost again in the bog. I only have one pair of socks, so I can't get them wet or else I'll be miserable. And now we're back to our sheepy friends. Hi sheepies! I need to get home ASAP to see my kitties, my babies.